Welcome back to MSR tutorial. Today we are going to see how to draw the projection of solids. So I have taken one example. A pentagonal prism of base side 35 mm and axis length 65 mm is resting on the HP on one of its base corners, and its axis is inclined at 45 degree to HP and parallel to VP. Draw its front and top views. So this is our problem. So I have already drawn that answer. So this is our answer. So first stage of projection here and second stage of projection here. This dotted line should have a handshake. So we will see how to draw this up. Select a line, draw a horizontal line. Then we have a pentagonal plane of base side 35 mm and axis 65 mm is resting on HP on one of its corner. So HP and one of its corner. So we need to draw the pentagon here. Left side should be our corner. So select the pentagon here, polygon. Enter the number of sides 5. Then click the edge. Then specify the first endpoint of the edge. So first endpoint here. So left side should be our corner. So like that you just draw like this. Then type the base side 35 mm and enter. So you have your left side corner. So you just move this pentagon from here to down. So use move command. From here to here. Then this is a prism. Then project all the points. So before that you just type text. So here we have two pentagonal surfaces. One is our bottom, another one is in top. So in bottom we have your numbers called PQRS. In top we have a numbers of ABCD like that. So in top we have a bottom it's invisible. So just give in bracket. So A P. So like this. Then here B and Q. Then here C and R. Here D in bracket we have S. Here E in bracket we have T. So like that we have a number. Just move this number here. That's all. Then project all the points from HP to VP. So using this line, we project it. Like this. Then the axis height of the prism is 65 mm. So we have a 65 mm. Select the line. So overall height is 65 mm. Then here the height is also 65 mm. Then close it. Then using the line, just draw the edges also. That's all. So I have drawn the height of the prism is 65. So click the dimension and from this point and this point, here we have a 65 mm. So that's all. Then click the dimension. Here we have a base side of 35. That's all. So first stage of projection is over. So here the condition is the axis is inclined 45 degree to HP. So that's a condition. So we need to draw the axis line here. So for that, just change the line into axis line. So center line, select the line, from center this point to vertical mode. So just on this switch ortho mode. So this is our axis line. Okay, that's all. So we need to draw a baseline here of the pentagon. So we need to move this vertical object into from here to here with an axis inclined of 45 degree. So for that you just select all the lines with base side also and axis line also. You just copy Control C and paste here Control V. So we have an object here. So we have an object here. Then this line should be our bilayer line. I'll just change it. Now this shape is going to be rotated by 45 degree. So for that we just select the shape using rotate command. Select any one point and type 45 degree. So now this object is inclined 45 degree. Then this object corner, one of its corners is resting on HP. So this corner is going to be rest on this reference line. So for that select once again the all the objects here, object, then using move command. Using move command, select this into here. That's all. Now it's resting on reference line. Just trim this axis line using trim command. That's all. So now select the dimension, angular dimension. Select this axis and reference line. It shows 45 degree. Then give all the notations here. Use the text command. Notations. So here in bottom we have PQRS. So this point is P dash, and here Q dash. In bracket we have T dash. This point is R dash. In bracket we have S dash. Similarly in upper direction, here A dash, here B dash. In bracket we have E dash. Here C dash, and in bracket we have D dash. That's all. So similarly you just project all the notations in this diagram also. So here A1 dash, here B1 dash, in bracket we have E1 dash. Here we have C1 dash, in bracket D1 dash. Similarly here P1 dash, here Q1 dash, in bracket T1 dash. Here R1 dash, in bracket well S1 dash. That's all. So I have given all the notations here. Then project all the points in A1 dash, C1 dash from VP to HP by vertical, and A, B, C, D all the points from here HP to horizontal manner. So click the line. So just change into a center line into a bilayer line. Then click the line. From project all the lines by vertical. So like this. Repeat line from this point to here, like this. This. Then last point is over here. So vertically we just projected. Similarly you just project all the points from here in horizontal manner. Like this. Then you just find the intersectional points first of all. So for that, use point command to easily identify the points, intersectional points. So A horizontal, A vertical. So this is our point A. Similarly, repeat point. So this is our B point. Repeat point. So this is our C point. C horizontal, C vertical. So like that. So it's our D point. It's our E point. And mark PQ or ST also. So select, so P horizontal and P point vertical, so point should be here. Then P, Q, R, S and T here. So we got the points here. Just give the notations using text command. So click text and type here. So this is A1, here B1, here C1 and here D1, then E1. Similarly for here P1, Q1, R1, S1, T1. That's all. Then you just connect it using the basic procedure of how to get the final view of the solid. So click the line. First of all the points in outer should be visible. So visible means we have to draw the visible line, bilayer line. So like this. Then so in our diagram, so ABCDE plane, pentagonal plane is visible, PQRS pentagonal plane is invisible. So ABCD visible means we have to draw a visible line. So B to C, you just connect it, then C to D, then D to E. That's all. So now the pentagonal plane is visible. So invisible plane is PQRS. So change hidden line, select line. So P to Q invisible, then Q to R is visible, R to 1 is R to S is visible, S to T1 is visible, T to P is invisible. So connect as a hidden lines. Then you need to draw the edge also. So edge, first of all change this line into a darker one, then only you can be easily identified. So for this, change the thickness, bilayer thickness. So select all the lines which you have drawn already. Carefully you just select all the lines like this. Like this. Change thickness into 0.30. So it will be highlighted. Then you just connect the edges also. So click the line. So now the hidden line is there. Change into bilayer. So SD edge is visible. Then RC is visible. So change the bilayer thickness. Select this line. This one and this one. Change into 0.3. That's all. Then you have to draw the hidden line. So hidden line, change the thickness 0.3, click the line from A to P it's not visible. So you have to connect by hidden line. So this highlighted docked surface is our final object. So like this you have to draw your projection of solid sum. Thank you.